Incorporating hands-on activities and real-life examples into mathematics lessons would greatly enhance students' understanding and engagement with the subject. Implementing differentiated instruction strategies in mathematics classrooms would ensure that every student's individual learning needs are met, promoting better outcomes for all. We should prioritize the use of visual aids and manipulatives to support conceptual understanding and problem-solving skills in mathematics. Integrating technology, such as interactive math apps or online simulations, into the curriculum would make mathematics more interactive and relevant for primary school students. Promoting a growth mindset among students in mathematics, emphasizing that intelligence is not fixed and that effort leads to improvement, would positively impact their confidence and perseverance. Fostering a collaborative learning environment in mathematics classrooms, where students work in groups and discuss problem-solving strategies, would promote critical thinking and peer learning. Providing ongoing professional development opportunities for mathematics teachers would ensure they are equipped with the latest instructional strategies and techniques to effectively teach the subject. Incorporating formative assessments and regular feedback loops in mathematics instruction would allow teachers to monitor student progress and provide timely interventions when needed. Introducing project-based learning in mathematics, where students apply their knowledge to solve authentic problems and engage in hands-on investigations, would enhance their critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. There is a need for a strong emphasis on foundational math skills, such as number sense and arithmetic, as they provide the necessary building blocks for more advanced mathematical concepts. Creating opportunities for students to explain and justify their mathematical reasoning, both orally and in writing, would deepen their understanding and develop their communication skills in mathematics. Promoting a positive attitude towards mistakes and errors in mathematics, emphasizing that they are part of the learning process, would foster a risk-taking and growth-oriented mindset among students. Incorporating cross-curricular connections between mathematics and other subjects, such as science or art, would reinforce the relevance and applicability of mathematical concepts in different contexts. Integrating problem-solving tasks and open-ended questions into mathematics assessments would assess students' higher-order thinking skills and encourage them to think critically and creatively.